do something different with the vlogs. Don't know what, but I want to change up my editing to make it look more pleasing, if that's possible. Ideally, I'm gonna shoot for a mini lanyard, a long lanyard, maybe a tote bag, pencil case for sure, and a ring phone holder. So I drew up a few things. Phone ring holder. So I'm gonna make those designs and then I'll probably upload it on Patreon so people can help me. First, pencil case design. And the show that I'm watching is Heart Signal. I'm just thinking of like, how do I make this fun?
있더라고.
I am 6 years old.
I like this sticker a lot this month. Oh, why am I shaking? Okay. The print, which you probably saw in the last vlog. And we need to print out our thank you cards. So every month I try to make a backing card just for fun. Four contenders. Copy all. It has to fit in here. Like that. Or like that. I love this design, but it doesn't really work with the ring.
Tao đi gặp lẩu con hả?
Kia cơ kia cơ.
Tao đi gặp lẩu con nữa.
Kia cơ kia cơ. Kia cơ kia cơ.
But lately, or not lately, for the past year or so, I kind of feel guilty buying food outside of groceries. I almost feel, I don't know, it's kind of weird because I've never felt like this, but I'll feel guilty buying food. And it's like, do I deserve this? I feel like, I don't even know. Whatever. I'm just gonna eat. Yum. I love food. I just don't have the appetite these days. Maybe because I'm so lazy. Anyways, got a pappardelle pasta. That's yummy. So recently I haven't had much of an appetite. I think I just go through phases where I'll cook so much of one thing and then move on to another, and then I get sick of everything. And now I don't really feel the need to eat something specifically. Like, I know I'll be hungry and I know I want something to eat, but I don't know exactly what. But today there was a coupon on DoorDash, so I got this pasta. Also, I was just talking to myself about how I realized that I can be really hard on myself, and sometimes it's necessary, but compared to me projecting to like other people, it's much more harsh when it comes to myself. And maybe that's just a common theme for a lot of people, but for the longest time I thought of myself as a very optimistic person. And I still think I am towards other people, but not to myself, which was really strange to realize. But I guess I'd rather have it like that than the other way around. And I've known this one for a long time, but I'm a really patient person, which I think that's a part of the reason why I could see myself working with older people, like geriatrics. Because I just did a rotation at a nursing home for 2 weeks, and it was so nice. I love old people. I would love to work at a nursing home in the future after I settle down in primary care. It would be so awesome. Anyways, if there's something that you have learned about yourself recently, please share down below. Thanks for tuning in to my pasta eating segment. Side note, did anyone notice a change in the camera quality? Because I changed the settings to 4K. It's pretty sharp in my opinion, but let me know if you noticed anything. Okay. Take care, be safe.